Hey guys, my name is Naza, and today we're going to talk about Hamster Kombat and how to actually maximize your gains, your points on this app before the launch, and of course how to make the maximum amount on the Hamster Kombat airdrop. And extra bonus, I will hide 4 numbers in this video, so you need to find them. Like first one is right here. Once you collect the 4 numbers, drop a comment, just random comment about the video, and join my free Telegram. There you drop your username you used to comment, and I will give 4 or 5 people $10 each. So this is extra bonus for everyone watching my video. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's talk about the main topic of this video, how to maximize your rewards and your points on Hamster Kombat. And of course, how to make the max amount of money using this Telegram game. So first of all, of course, you need to use daily combos. Basically, this gives you daily 5 million points. And this is really easy. On my channel, I share daily combos every day. So for that, every 24 hours, Hamster Kombat will give you a secret code. And you can find this code on my channel, on my Telegram. And basically, you need to buy the secret cards. And this will give you 5 million points daily. I think this is the easiest way, and it's really simple. And you're getting a lot of points. Number 2, using the daily Cipher. It's really similar to the daily combo, but it is like a Morse code. So for that, again, you will need a secret code. You can find this code on my channel, on my Telegram. Then you need to tap 3 times on the Earn to Tap section, and this will unlock the secret Morse code where you can actually tap in the code and you get 1 million points per day. So it's really similar to daily combo, but it's a bit different. So basically with these 2 strategies, you're already getting 6 million points. Now let's talk about the referrals. And I know lots of people are struggling to get referrals. I actually shared the strategy in my past video. You can find in the description how to actually create a limited amount of accounts. And of course, this way you're getting basically unlimited points. And of course, for referrals, the more people you invite, the more points you're getting. And of course, you can do it manually, inviting your friends or using bots or like different programs I shared in my past video. Now let's move to the 4th one. And I think this is really basic, but everyone has to do it. It's buying all the different cards. And I see lots of people are actually buying only the expensive ones and they're forgetting the cheap ones. But basically, you need to buy all the cards at the same time. The cheap ones, the expensive ones, and also always look for the new cards, because lately Hamster Kombat was dropping lots of these really valuable cards with a good value. For example, licenses for India, I think, licenses for other countries, and these cards are actually giving lots of points and lots of rewards hourly. And I think these are really great. And of course, if you want to maximize your gains, you need to buy these cards as early as possible. And again, to do that, you can join my Telegram. It's a free group, and actually I'm sharing all of these new cards once they drop. Also, don't forget to buy the cards from the specials, because some people I see like they're forgetting these special cards. And also don't forget to upgrade these special cards, because they're also giving you lots of points and lots of rewards hourly. So basically, these 4 points right now are the most effective. Of course, the daily combo is a no-brainer. Cipher also, inviting friends might be hard, but I see lots of people actually forgetting to buy the cards, the cheaper ones, and forgetting the special. So basically, these are all the strategies we have right now. If we'll have some updates, I will do an update video. And of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, or of course, join my free Telegram. It's in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.